Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show how to change the battery on an Ultenic D5 Pro. It's also the Cybovac E20 as well, they're the same vacuum. Fairly straightforward, just two little screws here, they're Phillips screws, and then that gets you into the battery. These batteries were available on the Ultenic website, they're not anymore, but they're just a standard battery. These are in lots of Hoovers. It's just basically that battery with, as long as it has that connector. They're in lots of Hoovers, they're in lots of electronic devices. So I'll drop the part number of the battery below. If you want to just Google it, you'll find it. I'll also drop an Amazon link if you want to pick one up on Amazon. Fairly easy to come out. You just pull your battery by the tabs, and then just zoom in so you can see this. I've just zoomed in now so you can see this little tab is holding in the battery, so you're going to lift that up, and once you lift it up you can just pull it out. New battery just places straight in. Just make sure you have your wires in tidy so they're not going to interfere with your cover. Then pop the cover back in, pop back in your two screws, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching.